Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Arcy Bagivito. I am 27 years old. I am single, but I have a kid. He is 7 years old. I am a college level.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
It's because I am a single mother and I need to sustain the needs of my son in his future.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, I have.
In which country?
In Saudi Arabia
For how many years in Saudi?
for 2 years.
Alright, tell me your duties and responsibilities in Saudi.
My duties and responsibilities in Saudi are to take good care of the children and also the household chores like dishing, washing clothes, and cooking, and also taking good care of the baby, 1 year old baby.
Did you take care of baby child elderly?
Yes, I did.
How old are they?
I took good care. I took good care a 9 months old until she became 2 years old, and also I took good care of my son.
What are your skills?
I love cooking. I love cleaning and everything.
Alright. What are the traits of a good domestic helper?
The trait of a good domestic helper are you have to take good care of caring. You have to take good care of all the members of the family. You have to love their kids and also the household chores.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, how are you? I am happy to see you soon, and please, I love you to choose me as your domestic helper because I am a hardworking person and I can handle things right there. Hope to see you soon.